working my ass off for you. Letting my standards slip, calling at places I wouldn't even drive through. Ain't this a blip? First Joan isn't here for me, and now you?
I was there for you. I asked you to be my realtor, remember? But you weren't there for me.
You know I need every commission I can get. I'm walking a tightrope here, Maya. Being a mother and trying to work, it's hard. And you of all people should understand that.
And I'm trying to get a house for my family, and you of all people should understand that. Damn, Tony. Why couldn't you just pick up your phone?
I was on a date, okay, Maya? I need a break. I am worn out. I just wanted someone to pamper me for a while. Is that wrong?
No, it's not wrong. But don't be mad at me for looking out for my family. You're a single mother, Tony, and that's about juggling. And if you got too many balls in the air, then you know what? Maybe you need to let some go.